प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 2 दिन की मॉरिशस यात्रा पर रहेंगे। पीएम मोदी की यात्रा को लेकर कैसी तैयारियां हैं, कौन से मुद्दे फोकस में रहेंगे, इसे लेकर हमारी संवाददाता महिमा ने मॉरिशस के विदेश मंत्री धनंजय रतेश रामफल से खास बातचीत की। आप भी सुनिए।
हमारे साथ खास बातचीत करने के लिए मॉरिशस के फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर धनंजय मौजूद हैं। सर, बहुत बहुत वेलकम है आपका भारत एक्सप्रेस पे। सबसे पहला सवाल, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी एज गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स इस बार मॉरिशस आ रहे हैं, क्या कुछ प्रिपरेशंस है उनको लेकर?
We are doing our best to welcome PM Modi. You know, we have a very special relationship. जो वो संबंध है बहुत स्पेशल है. So we are preparing a unique and special welcome visit to PM Modi. So you know, this जो संबंध है वो 1948 से चल रहा है. So we are doing our best, and you know, we have various exchanges with India. We have a lot of trade and economic relations with India. India has been helping us a lot. India has been a development partner all along since 1948. So this is why I say that this relationship that we have is very special and unique.
सर, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट बायलैटरल, अगर हम बायलैटरल की बात करते हैं तो आप किस तरीके से, क्या विजन रहेगा इस बार बायलैटरल रिलेशनशिप्स को इंडिया के साथ आगे ले जाने का? क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आपने बोला इन संबंधों को आगे ले जाना है, तो अगर हम बायलैटरल्स पे देखेंगे तो किस तरीके से और कौन से ऐसे एरियाज होंगे जिस पे ज्यादा फोकस होगा?
So during the visit of the PM, there will be a few MOUs that are going to be signed. MOUs on capacity building and training for public officers. There's going to be training of our diplomats as well. There are going to be MOUs on exchange of information with regards to maritime security between the two countries. You know, all along we have been sharing a relationship which was more concentrated on cultural exchanges, trade, and economic partnership. Now we want to bring that partnership to a different height. We are now talking about Mauritius and India being strategic partners. You see, we share the Indian Ocean, and security in the Indian Ocean is becoming a major issue, and we are working to try and collaborate with each other to ensure that the Indian Ocean remains an open, safe and secure place.
Also, just because you spoke about the Sagar, by far I remember back in 2015, this was majorly the focus or initiative of India. भारत का ये इनिशिएटिव रहा है. तो किस तरीके से, अगर हम सागर की बात करते हैं, तो पर्सपेक्टिव, क्योंकि आपने अभी मैरिटाइम सिक्योरिटी के बारे में तवज्जो दिया, उस बात पे तवज्जो दिया, तो इसके अलावा क्या विजन रहेगा उसको और स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए? क्योंकि स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप्स की, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप, यू सेड ऑल्सो, आई वुड एड ऑन अ क्वेश्चन हियर इन how do you look at trade here? Because when it comes to trading, when it comes to investment, when it comes to global south, Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has been very vocal about global south. He's been vocal about the trade. He's been vocal about the investment. आप ट्रेड, इन्वेस्टमेंट, ग्लोबल साउथ, अगर हम इसको पूरा कंपाइल करते हैं, मैरिटाइम सिक्योरिटी के साथ कंपाइल करते हैं, स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप, इन सबको, इन सारी चीजों को आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
ये जो सागर इनिशिएटिव है वो it was initiated by PM Modi in Mauritius when he came in 2015. Now we want to give that initiative a more bigger picture, right? We don't forget that Mauritius is a member of the IORA, and also we are a member of the Colombo Security Conclave. As I've said, the Indian Ocean is becoming a live issue, security in the Indian Ocean. So we are talking about exchange of information on the maritime issues between the two countries. We are talking about joint surveillance exercise we are talking about sharing of technical and specialized technologies between the two countries. So this is where I think, and in fact we are signing an MOU on wide shipping, sharing of wide shipping information during the PM's visit, right? So all these will help us to strengthen our cooperation as far as maritime security is concerned. Now, in terms of trade, we have the SECPA between the two countries, the Comprehensive Partnership Agreement that has been signed. And now we have to make purposeful use of that trade agreement. Don't forget that Mauritius is a member of different treaties with African countries, the SADC, the COMESA, etc. Now, if Indian investors want to come and invest in Mauritius, they can use Mauritius as a gateway to invest in Africa, right? So there is going to be a second session of the joint committee between Indian delegation and Mauritius on the SECPA, and we will try to find how we can further reinforce our partnership as far as trade is concerned.
So also if we talk about people to people connect, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी people to people connect के बारे में बोलते हैं, अगर हम मॉरिशस की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर हिंदी भाषी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, तो people to people connect के लिए इस बार और इसे बेहतर करने के लिए क्या विजन रहेगा? डायस्पोरा की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो how do you look at this connect and what do you think would be the vision to take this people to people connect in a way further or to a new heights?
You know, we have very good relations as far as cultural exchanges are concerned, right? Through your embassy here in Mauritius, they give a lot of assistance to on various cultural events that we organized. They also provide, musical instruments and all to the cultural groups here in Mauritius. You have also, through the Mahatma Gandhi Institute, we have a lot of exchanges with India. And there is also the OCI card, which is given to, NRIs, for them to, when they come over to Mauritius, they can use the OCI card to get a lot of privilege. So, but we look further to try and strengthen that relationship as far as the diaspora is concerned.
So, मेरा आखिरी सवाल रहेगा, 12th is a very important day, not only in the terms that, of course, we have the guest of honors as Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but also it is the national day. What do you have to say on that?
In fact, it's a great honor for us that PM Modi has accepted the invitation of our Prime Minister, Navin Ramgoolam, to come and be the chief guest for the National Day. And the 12th of March has been chosen specifically by our father of the nation, Sesio Sagar Ramgoolam, since that date also is the date when the Salt March started, right, in India. So for us, 12th of March is a very important day, and it's, as I've said, a privilege and a great honor that a world leader like PM Modi has agreed to visit us.
तो ये थे फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट रमेश के साथ महिमा कटारिया, भारत एक्सप्रेस।